to another in-depth weather video. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another in-depth weather video. Now let's go in-depth. Here I am on the National Weather Service page, and a lot of stuff is going on in the central part of the country. We have flash flood watches all the way, flash flood watches and flood watches from Alabama to Wisconsin. This is all part of Cristobal. We also have severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, part of this other system in the upper plains. Then we have freeze warnings. Like, it is a crazy time right now. Severe thunderstorm watches. Then we have high wind warnings, flash flood warnings. Just a whole mess in here. And this is part of just two systems. We have this system up here, which is bringing even some snow into the Rockies, and some pretty decent thunderstorms in the upper Midwest. Then, of course, we have the hot topic right now, Cristobal, which will be moving northwest and then starting to shift toward the northeast as it starts to move toward eventually going to be in Canada. Now, I'm just going to go here to the 3-kilometer model. Here's Cristobal. Here's our other low pressure. And as we start moving along here, you're going to notice that Cristobal starts to kind of dismantle. Right now it has that kind of circular shape that we kind of see with tropical storms, tropical cyclones. And it starts to kind of die out a bit, which it's overland, it should start to do that. Now, we do have a severe thunderstorm threat right in here. And we also have some snow on the backside. And that will continue to happen until eventually these two will collide and start to form into one system as it moves into Canada. Now, you have this showery event on the back end, you have Cristobal on the front, and then you kind of have two frontal boundaries here producing thunderstorms. And even some thunderstorms can go back into the areas that were just affected with Cristobal, making landfall, of course. And both of those systems eventually move into Canada. Again, another line of thunderstorms. A very active time right now. We can even see some snow could be working into Minnesota on the back end of this. Let's just go to the 12-kilometer model. And you can see that eventually that'll move to the east and into the northeast. Other than that, it's looking pretty decent in the country. But we do have red flag warnings through Texas, New Mexico, even parts of Colorado. I think that's pretty general for the time of year. A lot of dry air. Fire will spread easily. And I do want to look back over here at the thunderstorm tornado outlook. So here we are. So as you see, enhanced risk of thunderstorms in this area here, part of that back system. We have tornado, pretty low chances. Wind, probably the strongest threat in those thunderstorms, as well as some hail. So generally, those are the risks. Just wind and hail, not really much for tornadoes. We've kind of seen a dip in tornadoes. Not many in May, not many so far in June, but we have seen more derechos, which is very odd to see. Because we had two in the matter of, I think, a week and a half. We had one come through the Pennsylvania, New Jersey area, and we also had one from Colorado all the way through areas of Wisconsin. I think just the general, northern Great Plains derecho.